You can find the outer tail light used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off the ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release lever and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Toyota Camry Car Battery. Pull on the trunk release handle and open the trunk. To access the rear part of the tail light located in the bodywork, remove the plastic hook. Next, using a fork, remove the 2 retaining rivets from the plastic trunk sill trim by prying their central parts. Then, shift the trunk carpet. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the 3 taillight retaining nuts. In order to change the outer tail light on your vehicle, you will need to remove the rear bumper to have full access. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Rear Bumper, Toyota Camry. The rear bumper is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. You can now extract the tail light from its slot. Remove the light bulb power connectors by pressing the tabs and pulling on the connectors. You can now remove the light. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can order the outer tail light used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new tail light. Reconnect the power connectors. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the 3 taillight retaining nuts back on. Put the rear bumper back in place. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Rear Bumper, Toyota Camry. Put the trunk carpet and plastic trim back in place. Put the 2 rivets back in place. Put the hook back in place. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.